Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for May 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can directly book for a reading sa aking calendar, link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, let's see. Pisces. What's the energy for Pisces ngayong May 2026? Relaxation. Ayan. So medyo kayo ay kakalma ngayong May. You've been through a lot, Pisces. So mas kalmado for you ang May. You will have time to relax, to have a break, magbakasyon, ayan, to bring balance in your life. Pwede kasing you've been stressed ng mga nakaraang buwan or linggo. So ngayong May, mas maganda yung energy, mas kalmado, mas low-key, kumbaga. Grounding. This is you releasing negative energies. Maaring mas may time ka to take care of yourself, to go out, and spend time with nature, no, ngayong May. And grounding is also part of balancing your energies. So very relaxed ang energy ng mga Pisces ngayong May. So take advantage of that opportunity, Pisces. Now let's see what is the overall energy ngayong May. Page of Wands. This is communication. Pwedeng merong important communication ngayong May para sa inyo. Galing sa malayong lugar or sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa. Yung plano nyo na makapagbakasyon, matutuloy na. Ngayong May, pwede rin may mga unexpected na getaways. May mga unexpected adventure for you. Exploration. Now, your challenge is the High Priestess. So, sometimes, no, may mga parang pagdating sa instinct mo, intuition mo, minsan, nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo. Now is the time to strengthen your instinct, your intuition. Maaring meron kang mga actions na gagawin para mas mapaigting or mapalakas yung iyong kaalaman. Kahit ano pa yung yung iyong career path or ano man yung pinupurso mo sa buhay. But some of you, no, lalo na yung mga nasa spiritual community, if you are a Pisces or Pisces rising, or meron kang strong Pisces placements, sometimes nagkakaroon ka nitong tinatawag nilang imposter syndrome na minsan hindi mo na sigurado kung or hindi ka na naniniwala kung ikaw ba talaga yun ba talaga yung goal mo sa life mo. Kasi nga, minsan it doesn't work according to your plan. So, minsan tinitake mo yun as a sign na hindi ka para doon. But actually, that's just lang siya, testing lang sa'yo or a test ng universe if you really want to commit yourself sa healing, sa any spiritual practice that you are working on. Okay? Now, your opportunity is the King of Pentacles. Visionary, reliable, generosity. So, you have the opportunity to help others, take care of others' needs, and at the same time, bigyan ng kaayusan yung finances mo. So, ngayong May, isa rin yan sa bibigyan mo ng focus and attention aside from relaxation at pagpapahinga. Kasi the moment na mas maging clear yung mind mo, di ba? Kapag nakapag-relax ka, nakapag-grounding ka, mas magiging clear yung isip mo. And pag clear yung isip mo, maraming ideas na darating, no? That you can use to improve yourself, to better yourself, especially in your career or any sources of income. Now, your blessing is the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is about work, career. This is abundance as well. So, hindi ka mawawalan ng source of income. Magtutuloy-tuloy pero yung mga projects mo, whatever you are doing, or whatever work na pinupurso mo, career path mo. This is also mastering your craft. So, ano man yung craft mo ngayon, whether you are into spirituality, technology, um, kung ano mang career path yan, mas madadagdagan yung knowledge and skills mo. And you can use that para mas mapalago yung iyong sources of income. You're also evaluating your situation. Pwedeng meron kang gustong baguhin sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. That's why meron kang, can be a major decision na you want to change direction. Mas magiging malinaw yan for you. Balance is very important ngayong May para sa'yo, Pisces. Kumbaga, hindi lang sa isang bagay ka nakafocus, but also yung iba ring importante sa'yo para balance lang, hindi magsasuffer yung iba. Yung iba sa inyo, papasok kayo sa isang contract agreement, no? Yung iba, ikakasal, ma-engage, or magsa-start kayo ng business, or magsa-sign kayo ng contracts sa isang collaboration, or any contract na papasukin ninyo. And I think ito ay magbibigay sa inyo ng stability and also expansion. Okay. This is not your practice life, decide, o meron kang kailangan na pagdesisyonan. Now is the time, ngayong May, ay yung panahon na kung saan magseseryoso ka sa buhay. What is your inner voice telling you about the dream in your heart? Ayan. So, aalalahanin mo, ano ba yung pangarap mo sa buhay? 'Di ba? At ano yung ginagawa mo para matupad yon? Kasi kahit naman sino pwedeng mangarap. Ang tanong, meron ka bang ginagawang action? 'Di ba? You have the second house, so para sa resources mo to, Uranus in Aquarius. So, this is unexpected change in your pwedeng career path or source of income or your values. May magbabago. Na parang kung dati iba yung paniniwala mo or ganito yung paniniwala mo, magbabago yan. Especially when it comes to your earning capabilities. Kung dati mas traditional ka na kailangan, ito yung paraan ng kumita ng pera, ngayon magbabago na, no? Something unconventional with Aquarius energy. Maari ring magle-level up ka when it comes to technology or magiging interesado ka sa technology or you will learn trading, may kinalaman sa stock market or anything that will increase your finances. Pwedeng side hustle din to. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.